Hello, sir. Myself HITHAVAISHNAVI from first year AIDS B2 section. The startup company name is Vogue. The product present name is Saving Machine, and the product proposed name will be Blind Stitch. Mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activities. There are two empathizes. The first one is the product should be handy with low cost and also electric. The second one is automation feature, which is integrate more automation features like stitching, cutting, threading, and improve efficiency and user experience. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product, which are the empathies. The existing product name is Saving Machine, and the futuristic product name will be Blind Stitch. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here, which are carryable, handy, easy methods to use, and automation feature. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. The sketch of the real working model is given below. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.